Alright guys, so we're on, I believe, the 7th page. Secret word I'll tell you here in a sec, but right now let's do this one. Alright, so dotted line. Dotted line is going to be at where x is 0, alright? X is 0 along this y-axis right here. Okay, this is the transition line. Okay. Alright, so this one doesn't have a line under it, so it's going to be open. This one does, closed. Okay. So we're going to make our t-chart. X, Y, X, Y. Okay. This is 2x plus 1. This is 3x plus 4. Okay. Now, they both share 0, so we're going to put a 0 in both the x columns. This is x is less than, so we're going to put a number less than. This is x is greater than, so we're going to put a number greater than. So, 2 times -1 is -2, plus 1 is -1. 0 times 2 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Alright, this one goes for this one. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 4 is 4. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 4 is 7. Okay, so we've got our two XY t-charts, we got our points. Alright, at this point and this point, we got the special things. So this one's going to be an open circle, this one's going to be a closed circle. Okay, so let's first graph -1, -1, that's right here. 0, 1, open circle, connect the two, remember it cannot cross the line. 0, 4, closed circle. 1, 7, closed circle, connect, line. Okay? Alright. This one. Okay, so Kris Kringle is the special word. Kris Kringle or Santa Claus is a special word. So if you want that special word, it's Kris Kringle or Santa Claus. Okay, so this one, you got two different things. You have f of x, you have g of x. Where you see f's, we're using f of x. Where you see g's, we're using g of x. Okay. Now you notice there's numbers replacing the x. What that means is that whenever, if you have f of x, we find the f of x function, or f of 4, we find the f of x function, and we replace all the x's with that number. So, f of 4. So we're going to place all the x's with that number. So we're going to go 4 squared minus 2 times 4 plus 5. Okay? Now what we do is we multiply, so that becomes 16 minus 8 plus 5. 16 minus 8 is 8, plus 5 is 13. G of x is right there, so it becomes 4. 2 squared minus 9. 2 squared is 4. Okay. 4 times 4 is 16 minus 9. That gives you 7. -2. -2 goes into that one, so it's -2 squared minus 2 times -2 plus 5. This is 4. This is plus 4. This is plus 5. So it becomes 13. G equals 5. We find G, okay, for that one. 4 times 5 squared minus 9. 5 squared is 25. Minus 9. 4 times 25 is 100. Minus 9, which equals 91. Three. Alright, goes with the x squared minus 2x. So f of 3 becomes 3 squared minus 2 times 3 plus 5. That means it's 9 minus 6 plus 5. That means it is 3 plus 5, which means it's 8. Finally, -3 goes in the g of x ones. It's 4 times -3 squared minus 9. 4 times what 3 squared is 9, minus 9. So it's 36 minus 9, which gives you 27. Remember, all I'm doing is plugging this stuff in. Where it says G goes, I don't know if I said it in this video, Kris Kringle's a special word, Kris Kringle's a special word. Now, where you see G, it goes G. Okay, so it goes into the G pile. So if it's G of -3, it goes into the G one. If it's F, it goes into the F one. Find the following lines. Alright. I gave you guys a couple extra of these because I just wanted you guys to be able to do these. So first, a parallel line. So parallel line, once again, parallel lines, this slope, okay? This is your slope. So m equals 1/2. Find our x. X equals 8. Y equals 3. We're going to plug it into y equals mx plus b because we got to find all 4 letters. We found y and x, we find f and b. So it becomes 3 equals m, which is 1/2. X is 8 plus b. So 3 equals 1/2 of 8 is 4 plus b. Subtract 4, subtract 4. B equals -1. So we know our b. We know our m. So y equals 1/2 x minus 1. And that's the end of this video, guys.